Hi, Gold Cup Day this coming Saturday. Now we all like to try and pick the winner, and what I'm going to show you today is how to go through Formgrids, and so you can make your own decisions, but I'll show you the main things you have to look for. So we'll go through, and if at the end of the day you decide that it's too much work and you want me to do it, then I've got a Gold Cup card completely for the whole meeting, not just the Gold Cup, for 200 Rand, which I'll send to you before the weekend. Just contact me on WhatsApp and I'll give you my bank details. Okay, let's get on with it. First thing I do, I would log on because there's one or two things we can use once we've logged on rather than not, so I log in. And then we'll go to the Gold Cup race. We go to race cards, you do it for the Saturday, and you click on Gold Cup here, race 7. So now we have the complete field for this 3,200 meters. Now, the way that I suggest you do it, the first thing you do is on the grid info, I would suggest that you first look at the distance. Now, you want to study each horse here to make sure that it's distance suited. Now, of course, the trainers all think they are, but you want to make sure yourself that you're happy with it. So, for instance, you'll go down here and you'll see that It's My Turn. It won this race last year, but since then, it's been doing different distances and hasn't won since. Then you do the same thing with all the other horses, Magnificent 7, Marching Together, etc. You'd go through each one and you'd pick out whether or not you think it can cope with 3,200. Then I would check the lengths behind. Now the lengths behind, that actually tells you how many lengths behind the winner it was, unless it's got a minus figure. For instance, Marching On Together, last race, it won by 1.1 lengths. You click on it, it'll show you the race, and you can see exactly what happened on that race, and you've got the distances behind, etc. I'll go back to the main meeting again. So I would look for horses that have been reasonably close up in all their last races, providing it's over a long distance. So I would cut out certain ones of them that I don't like. For instance, I might say, well, okay, Path to Victory, last couple of races I don't like, but you might, for instance. So you go through all the different distances and analyze each horse as you think fit. The next thing I would do is I'd go to the weight difference. Now this tells me exactly what weight they're carrying today in comparison to last time they raced. So if we look here, It's My Turn now is carrying 7 kilo more than his previous race. Eyes Wide Open, 1.5 kilos less. So what I like to see, I like to see at least 4 kilo less if possible, especially if I'm looking at the bottom of the page here, like Before Dawn, for instance. That is only carrying 52 today, which is 6.5 kilo less than last time. So I would look at that and I would decide whether or not the lighter weight will compensate for the fact that the horse is not as good. That's the important thing for the weights. As I say, if you want me to do all the work for you, I'll spend at least 2 days studying it all inside out. Contact me by WhatsApp. I will then put you on the list. If you want to subscribe, it'll be 200 for the day, and I'll send you everything for the whole day at my work. Okay, that's it. Enjoy it. And Formgrids really is my first call for studying, and I think if you get into it, you'll find it's fabulous. Okay, look forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.